Eli Lilly, a pharmaceutical powerhouse with a legacy spanning over a century, is making headlines with its rumored acquisition of Kelonia Therapeutics, a small but ambitious biotech firm at the forefront of developing next-generation cancer therapies. This potential deal is sending ripples through the industry, as it signals Lilly's intent to not just maintain its dominance, but to actively shape the future of medicine. Riding high on the blockbuster success of its diabetes and weight loss drugs, Lilly is now setting its sights on the rapidly evolving oncology space. By targeting Kelonia's breakthrough technology, Lilly aims to diversify its portfolio and tap into the immense potential of innovative cancer treatments, an area where scientific advances are urgently needed and highly valued. Kelonia's cutting-edge platform, which harnesses the power of genetic engineering and precision medicine, could revolutionize how blood cancers are treated. This is more than just a business transaction. It's a strategic leap that could redefine standards of care and offer new hope to patients who have exhausted traditional options. The potential $2 billion deal underscores the immense promise Lilly sees in Kelonia's approach, reflecting both the high stakes and the high rewards of investing in transformative science. Such a significant investment highlights the confidence Lilly has in Kelonia's ability to deliver real-world impact. This partnership is a prime example of how nimble biotech startups drive breakthrough innovation, while established pharma giants provide the resources, scale, and expertise needed to bring those advances from the lab to the clinic, and ultimately, to patients around the world. For Lilly, it's a bold and calculated move to secure its next wave of growth and maintain its leadership in a fiercely competitive industry. For Kelonia, it's not only validation of their groundbreaking science, but also a unique opportunity to accelerate their vision and expand their impact on global health. And for cancer patients and their families, this collaboration represents a new beacon of hope, offering the promise of simpler, more effective treatments and a brighter future in the ongoing fight against cancer. Kelonia Therapeutics, though little known outside biotech circles, has captured industry attention for its mission to transform cancer treatment. The Boston-based company is developing a next-generation therapy for multiple myeloma, aiming for a true paradigm shift in how cellular therapies are delivered. Kelonia's platform delivers genetic instructions directly into immune cells inside the body, bypassing the complex, costly steps of traditional methods. This in vivo approach could turn a patient's immune system into a precision weapon against cancer, without removing or re-engineering cells externally. The technology's versatility could extend far beyond multiple myeloma, potentially treating other cancers and genetic disorders. For Eli Lilly, Kelonia represents not just a single drug, but a powerful engine for future therapies. Multiple myeloma, the target of Kelonia's lead program, is a relentless blood cancer that devastates the immune system. Cancerous plasma cells crowd out healthy blood cells, causing bone pain, fractures, fatigue, and kidney problems. Despite advances, the disease remains incurable, with frequent relapses and mounting resistance to existing drugs. Standard treatments, chemotherapy, immunomodulators, stem cell transplants, extend life but rarely cure. The urgent need for more durable, less toxic therapies is clear. Kelonia's approach aims to harness the patient's own immune system for deeper, longer-lasting remissions. For patients, a simpler one-time treatment could be truly life-changing. At the core of Kelonia's innovation is CAR T-cell therapy, a revolutionary approach that harnesses the power of a patient's own immune system to fight cancer. This therapy represents a major leap forward in cancer treatment, offering hope to patients who may have exhausted other options. By reprogramming T-cells, specialized immune cells, scientists can turn the body's natural defenses into a living drug, capable of seeking out and destroying cancer cells with remarkable precision. Traditional CAR T therapy involves a multi-step process. First, T cells are extracted from the patient's blood, then genetically engineered in a specialized laboratory to recognize and attack cancer. After this, the modified cells are expanded and finally reinfused back into the patient's body. While this process is groundbreaking, it is also incredibly complex, expensive, and time-consuming. The therapy can lead to remarkable remissions, sometimes even in patients with advanced or treatment-resistant cancers. However, its logistical hurdles, including the need for specialized facilities and highly trained staff, as well as the risk of severe side effects, limit its reach to only a small fraction of those who could benefit. Manufacturing these personalized therapies can take several weeks, costs can soar to hundreds of thousands of dollars per patient, and access is restricted to a handful of specialized centers around the world. Before receiving CAR-T, patients often must undergo harsh chemotherapy to prepare their bodies, which adds to the physical and emotional burden of treatment. While CAR-T has changed the game for some, its complexity and cost have spurred a global race among scientists and biotech companies to develop simpler, more accessible solutions that could benefit many more people. Kelonia's work is at the forefront of this next wave, pioneering new technologies that aim to overcome the barriers of traditional cell therapies. The ultimate goal is clear: to make these powerful, life-saving cell therapies accessible, affordable, and safer for more patients everywhere, bringing hope to families and transforming the future of cancer care. Kelonia's breakthrough is an in vivo CAR-T platform. Genetic engineering happens inside the patient's body, not in a lab. Their engineered particles act like smart missiles, delivering genetic instructions directly to T cells in the bloodstream. This eliminates the need for cell extraction, lab modification, and reinfusion, turning the patient's body into its own bioreactor. The result? Treatment could be as simple as an infusion, available at local hospitals, not just elite centers. Costs could drop dramatically, making therapy accessible to many more patients. Kelonia's approach also aims to avoid the harsh chemotherapy required by current CAR-T, potentially reducing side effects. A simpler, safer, and more affordable therapy is within reach. This is why Eli Lilly is willing to invest billions. The promise: revolutionize cancer care for everyone. Eli Lilly's rumored $2 billion bid for Kelonia is a bold bet on the future of cancer therapy. This isn't just another acquisition, it's a statement of intent from one of the world's pharmaceutical giants. By putting billions on the table, Lilly is signaling its willingness to take risks and lead the charge in the race for next-generation treatments. Kelonia's last valuation was just over $100 million, making this a massive premium and a clear signal of Lilly's confidence in the technology. Such a leap in valuation is rare, and it shows how much potential Big Pharma sees in Kelonia's platform. Investors and analysts are watching closely, as this could set a new benchmark for biotech deals. The deal isn't just about one drug. It's about owning a platform that could power a new generation of medicines. Kelonia's technology could unlock treatments for diseases that were previously out of reach, opening doors to therapies that could change countless lives. Milestone-based payments will incentivize Kelonia's team to deliver results, while Lilly manages risk. This structure keeps both sides motivated and aligned, ensuring that innovation stays at the forefront as the partnership evolves. With cash from blockbuster drugs, Lilly is strategically reinvesting in high-potential innovation. The company is leveraging its financial strength to secure a foothold in the rapidly evolving biotech landscape, aiming to stay ahead of competitors. This acquisition is a classic move: buy disruptive science to fuel long-term growth. It's a playbook that's worked before, and Lilly is betting it will work again as the industry shifts toward more personalized, advanced therapies. For Lilly, it's a ticket to the future of cellular therapy. The company is positioning itself at the forefront of a revolution in medicine, where cell-based treatments could become the new standard of care. For the industry, it's a sign that Big Pharma is ready to bet big on next-gen biotech. This deal could inspire a wave of similar investments, accelerating innovation and reshaping the landscape of medical science for years to come. Eli Lilly's pursuit of Kelonia marks a pivotal shift from its roots in diabetes to a bold push into oncology. Diversifying beyond metabolic disease is essential for long-term growth as patents expire and competition rises. Acquiring Kelonia would instantly boost Lilly's presence in blood cancers and cellular therapy, leapfrogging years of internal R&D. This buy versus build strategy is fueled by Lilly's financial strength from drugs like Mounjaro and Zepbound. The move reflects a broader industry trend, big pharma turning to nimble biotechs for breakthrough innovation. With Kelonia, Lilly gains not just technology, but a team and culture of focused scientific discovery. It's a strategic infusion of talent and ideas to maintain a competitive edge. If successful, Lilly's acquisition of Kelonia could democratize access to CAR-T therapy, bringing it to community clinics and more patients. A simpler, off-the-shelf treatment could mean less time in the hospital, fewer side effects, and a better quality of life. For patients, it's the hope of turning a chronic, relapsing disease into a manageable, or even curable condition. For the industry, this deal validates in vivo gene editing and signals a new era of investment and innovation. Competing companies will accelerate their own programs, driving progress even faster. The partnership highlights the vital relationship between biotech startups and pharma giants. It encourages bold science and venture investment, fueling the next wave of biomedical discovery. The Lilly-Kelonia deal is a bellwether for the future of life sciences. The potential union of Eli Lilly and Kelonia feels like the dawn of a new era in cancer treatment. It's a bet on medicines that are more effective, simpler, and accessible to all. With Lilly's resources and expertise, Kelonia's vision could become reality for patients worldwide. If successful, the impact will be measured in lives changed, not just dollars. This deal could expand in vivo gene editing to other cancers and genetic diseases, transforming patient care. Ultimately, it's a declaration of faith in science and a commitment to a healthier future. As details emerge, this will be remembered as a pivotal moment for medicine and hope for millions.